Where am I supposed to be looking? There?
Right there.
In my case,
Hi, I'm Ashley McNeese, reporting for Acalanes Blueprint, and today I'm here with Justice Werdebegar of the California Supreme Court. And so she came in today to talk to us about some cases that she's ruled upon with Judge Grossman, and she actually is an Acalanes graduate. So can you tell us a little bit about how you got from Acalanes to where you are now? Because I know we have a lot of ambitious students, and we'd like to know how you achieved your position of success.
Well, thank you for that question. It was really a lot of good luck, but after Acalanes, I went to Cal, and then I worked for a few years, and I decided, this is back in the late 50s and early 60s, that I wanted to do something more. So I applied to law school, and I was one of very, very few women, 2 women in my class. And then I had the good fortune to work in the Justice Department during the Civil Rights Movement in Washington, the Kennedy administration. And one thing led to another. I came back to California and had a variety of jobs. And my classmate Pete Wilson was governor, and he was aware of me, and he decided to appoint me to the Court of Appeal. And then from there, he elevated me to the California Supreme Court. So I had a long and diverse career, and I could never have dreamed, ever, that I would end up on the California Supreme Court, whether at Acalanes or even after I had passed the bar in California.
We were very lucky to have you here today, and so I don't really have a huge, wide expansive knowledge of the law, but I do know in Legally Blonde that Elwood's quotes Aristotle and says that law is reason free from passion. And I could tell, when you were out talking, you had a lot of passion about the cases you were arguing, and whether you were the dissent or the majority argument, you did strongly believe what you were talking about. So can you tell us about how you developed this passion for law?
Let me say first, I expected to hate Legally Blonde, and I loved it. But putting that aside, I did feel passionate when I was talking about my dissents, because I didn't prevail, and I think they were right. But I think as a judge, you should be dispassionate when you are, in the first instance, looking at issues. You care deeply about the law and about the results. You know you're affecting human beings, but you mustn't care too deeply about the result as opposed to where the law should go. So you try to put that aside.
All right, thank you very much, and thank you so much for
Thank
being
you.
here today.
Good luck to you. Do you know where you're going to